Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, if you see the risk factors of carcinoma esophagus due to adenocarcinoma. So, risk factors of carcinoma esophagus for adenocarcinoma. Adenocarcinoma can occur due to the following conditions. It can occur in GERD, that is, sometimes gastroesophageal reflux disease will result in. Sometimes gastroesophageal reflux disease will actually result in Barrett's esophagus. So this Barrett's esophagus is actually a pre-malignant lesion. So Barrett's esophagus is a pre-malignant lesion for carcinoma esophagus. Okay, so that too adenocarcinoma of esophagus. Then other conditions like obesity, scleroderma. In scleroderma, actually it is a smooth muscle atrophy is seen in the distal third of the esophagus, which can result in adenocarcinoma whenever there is diet deficient in fruits and vegetables, or if there is diet higher deficient in fruits and vegetables, and if the patient takes diet higher in animal protein and cholesterol. So these are the risk factors for carcinoma esophagus, that too adenocarcinoma of esophagus.
thank you and thank you for watching.